Okay, so another beautiful home, 5 bedrooms. This has literally come on the market yesterday. I don't think this is going to be here for more than, I would say, 48 hours, if that. Extremely competitive. It's an amazing location. The condition is superb, so everything ticks every box as you for a buyer. So let's walk around the villa. Here is, we walk in and you've got upstairs here, you've got a downstairs toilet here. Everything is fully renovated. The standard of homes in Dubai these days is really, really different to 5-10 years ago. So you walk in and you've got, this could be bedroom 5 downstairs. It's actually a lounge, but there you can see the ensuite. So that's bedroom 5. That's the stairs and that's the front door. And then if we walk into this beautiful open plan kitchen, living, dining area, I mean, look at this. Let's just give you a feel for the house. We'll go outside. So here we have it. So you've got the kitchen, like open plan kitchen. You've got the living area here and they've put the dining room here. There's lots of outdoor space. We'll just go out there in 1 second. But this beautiful kitchen. And then you walk through the secret door and you've got the laundry area, you've got more storage. They've also, they've got the maid's room down here and they have their own door out the kitchen and the maid's room there. But that's the secret door, shall we say. And then if we come back in, we will then, there's a nice living area downstairs here as well. And then let's go out to the garden because this really is absolutely gorgeous. So you have a gate straight onto the park, so your kids can go out and it's a really lovely green area. So let me just take you around. So that's the side of the house there. But check this out. Can you imagine yourselves living here? Isn't it gorgeous? Look at that swimming pool. It's just to die for. And you've got a seating area here. Beautiful swimming pool. Just what a beautiful home. And then this is the park. Straight out so the kids can go and kick their football for as long as they want and they won't be annoying in the garden here. So here we have it, and of course you've got glass around the swimming pool. That's quite rare in swimming pools, especially with young children. But I mean, look, you've got so much around the side of this house, so it's great if you've got pets. You've got a play area, you've got a tree house, swings. So really, really extensive outside area. The plot is huge. If you've got bigger dogs, this is really great for fencing and making sure they're not going to get out. I know some of you, that's very important. So let's come back inside the house and let's walk up the stairs now. So we've done downstairs. There's the beautiful kitchen once more. Now let's walk upstairs. So upstairs, I'll just show you how it looks as we're going up the stairs. These stairs are beautiful. Look at this glass finish. And so we've got 4 bedrooms up here. We'll just go round in order. So we start with the master bedroom. You've got a walk-in wardrobe. Beautiful his and hers. Tub, lovely shower, really beautiful finish. It's the bedroom, the master bedroom. Your lovely little Moroccan patio balcony. And then let me show you through the window. Look at that view, isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous view. Okay, so that's the master, and then we'll come through here. You've got another bedroom here. Really nice, again, looking out over the garden and the pool. And then that's an ensuite in here. They've all been fully renovated, so you just need to move in. Another bedroom, a kiddie's bedroom at the front of the house. And they both share this bathroom. And here is the other bedroom. So, for more details of this villa, look below in the description. You'll see the size, the plot and the price. DM me on WhatsApp directly. And let's get you in to have a look at this absolutely beautiful home in the heart of Victory Heights. Take care, thank you.